Hello, this is Dr. Eric Bricker, and this is how health insurance works. Today's topic is denials of payment. So there are many situations where your insurance company will actually not pay for the doctor or hospital bill. We're going to go through those reasons now. Number one, it's a non-covered service. Very simply, you don't have insurance for this. What would be some examples of that? So for like cosmetic procedures, oftentimes that might be done in a dermatologist, a skin doctor's office. Also things like glasses and contacts at the ophthalmologist office, the eye doctor's office, also typically not covered, right? People have to buy like separate vision insurance to cover for that. Okay, next up, no prior authorization. So we went over this in a previous video, but for certain services, you actually need permission first from the insurance company before you get that done, whether it be an MRI or surgery, etc. Now, your insurance will cover it, but you have to get the authorization or the permission first. Number three, something called medical policy. So this is specific insurance terms. It means that only certain tests or procedures are covered in certain situations. So for example, you might go to the eye doctor and they might use an eye laser treatment in the office, but it can only be used for certain eye problems. And if the eye doctor decides they want to use it for a different problem that is not under the medical policy of your insurance company, then it will be denied. It will be non-covered. Now, you can appeal it, but the point is that medical policy or the specific rules of what tests can be used in what medical situations is decided by the insurance company. And finally, we have out-of-network non-emergency services for both the doctor and the hospital. So certainly if you have an emergency and you have to go to an out-of-network doctor or hospital, typically the insurance company covers it. But if it's not an emergency and you have something called an EPO plan or certain other types of plans, then it will not be covered because there's only coverage for in-network doctors and hospitals. And that's how health insurance works.